Hello guys, welcome to Style Crunch. So today we will be making tandoori veg sandwich. So the tandoori part here is our sandwich spread, which is tandoori flavor, and for our filling we would have these mushrooms, which are approx 100 grams, a cup of corn, 1 onion, half capsicum, 2 chilies and a few cheese cubes. I wanted a cheesy flavor, and you can also add in tomatoes. So here we have butter to toast the sandwich. So let's get cooking. So guys, here I have fine chopped everything for my veg tandoori sandwich. These are chopped chilies. So I have chopped this with this help of manual pigeon chopper, and you can chop it manually too. So let's make this mixture. So guys, we have not fried the veggies immensely. We just have give it a little fry, just to be sure that they don't smell. Now I have added the cheese and closed the gas flame. Now I turn this over. I'll take this into a bowl, and then I'll add my tandoori mayonnaise, that is tandoori sandwich spread. So let's take this out.